In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Google Sheets. After successfully accessing your Google spreadsheet, on the menu navigation on the upper left corner of the screen, as you can see, most in here are written in English. So in the menu, navigate to File, and in File, go to Settings. This will then direct you to the settings for the spreadsheet. As you can see in here, we have the section for display language. Currently, the display language is set to English. Simply click English in here, and this will then direct you to Google account settings wherein you can edit your preferred language, and your preferred language will then reflect to your Google spreadsheet language. So the preferred language is currently English right now. So to change this, simply click the pen icon in here and search for your language. Let's say we will be using Filipino in here. Then click Save. Now that the language has reverted to Filipino in the Google account settings, let's see if this will reflect on the Google spreadsheet. So as you can see in here, simply click Save Settings, Reload. And after reloading, as you can see from English, all words are now written in Filipino. And that's about it. That's how to change language in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.